Shalom, brothers and sisters. So let's discuss Russia's latest threat that she's made. Russia threatens to make the UK a radioactive wasteland with a 500-meter nuclear tsunami wave. Dmitry Kiselov, the anchor of a Russian state television show, warned that Moscow's Poseidon-Drone can trigger a 500-meter tidal wave of radioactive seawater that will batter Britain and turn it into a wasteland. He said on Channel 1's Sunday evening show, Sunday Past. The explosion of the thermonuclear torpedo on Britain's coastline will cause this wave. Having passed over the British Isles, it will turn whatever is left into a radioactive wasteland. Poseidon is the Russian president's nuclear-armed submarine drone that can zip through water at a speed of 125 miles per hour after being dropped on the seabed. While the speed is slower than an ICBM, it's reportedly fast enough to make it uncatchable with existing torpedoes. The weapon uses a top-secret propulsion system and can allegedly target warships, aircraft carriers, coastal fortifications, and infrastructure. Also attached to the weapon is a horror nuclear warhead that, once triggered, will generate a tsunami, sending gigantic waves crashing into enemy coastlines. It's also powered by a nuclear reactor, worryingly giving the weapon an unlimited range and strike capability anywhere in the world. Naval News estimates the weapon weighs 100 tons, slightly lighter than most submarines. The exact specifications are unknown. In 2018, Putin called it a super weapon when he was detailing the weapon. The nuclear torpedoes can be carried on the gigantic 14,700-ton vessel called the Belgorod, which is said to be the largest submarine on the planet. TASS reports the transfer of the Belgorod nuclear submarine to the fleet is planned for the summer of 2022. The customized special purpose vehicle will reportedly carry 6 units of the nuclear-powered underwater drones with their 2 megaton atomic payload. Russia has warned that the super weapons have the horror nuclear warhead attached and can be deployed thousands of feet below the surface. These are not the only terrifying weapons that will be on board the Belgorod. Belgorod is said to be carrying a huge array of Russian weapons, from Losharik mini submarines to underwater drones like the Clavecin 2R. The important thing here is, and it's ridiculous, if mankind could have worked together and put our collective minds together, we'd probably have colonized the moon, Mars, the lot by now. But we've put our collective brains together to destruction, and our weapons have reached horrifying proportions and what we can achieve. He has a nuclear missile that can total France. Total it. He has a missile that creates tidal waves. These are just the things they're talking about. It's scary times, and these weapons are in the hands of evil people, and it's controlling the world at the moment. This is leading to war. So will there be nuclear war? Yes, absolutely. I definitely believe it's coming. When it will come, I'm not sure, but it's coming. And all these threats, I don't think are empty. I think they're building towards an actual strike. Be it the UK, be it America, be it in Europe, we'll have to wait and see. The important thing is that Jesus is on the throne and he's coming back soon. Keep looking up. Shalom.